The boots is shut, it's empty now, so I thought I'd do a little quick video down there. And one of them as well. So, what are they going to do with it? I'll do one of them probably, one of them. And one of them. So anyway guys, just don't forget to really find it. So anyway guys, just don't forget to subscribe.